how to check Google Form responses on mobile. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for Google Form. Now make sure you are signed into the account from where you want to check the responses, and once opened, go ahead and open the respective Google form. Now, tap on the responses option you see there, and with this, you will be able to view all the Google Form responses for that particular Google Form. So this is how you can check Google Form responses on mobile. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.